press and squat workout this month. We're just doing a scap pull, so you can actually have the feet on the ground even if you're doing full body weight pull-ups. I've actually gone back to doing this to really try and feel my lower traps working. So I'll do it facing this way so you can see the back, but you can have the easier version, legs bent like that or legs straight, having the butt a little bit behind the rings there. So when I come up, I'm really trying to draw the shoulder blades down and back with the elbows as they pull, going out wide, really feeling that pull there and getting that nice stretch. So the benefit of having the legs on the ground is obviously you get a really nice pull, and then you can work some higher reps and slower tempos to really get a nice conditioning response through there, really strengthen there. You can always go heavier and do more of your do your whole body weight, but really trying to really feel that nice position. For the overhead press, it's actually just a locked out elbow position, and just using a wall, or here I'll just use the pole, just climbing up the back. So you don't have to take too big a step with it, just trying to get the nice elbow lock and really strengthen the serratus through like a bridge position here, and then walking up all the way, bumping out, trying to get that nose to touch. Walk back down. Back up. So you might just do 30 seconds worth of those. Pretty hard, really want to try and use that serratus to press right through and get that nice overhead position at the top. Keep the hands fairly close, not too wide, and really try and keep that nice alignment, get that scap stability. You can make it easier just by doing it on the ground, just doing that walk just like a warm-up. That's quite cool too, really pressing up, getting that position, so really right up there, depending on your flexibility, make that harder or easier. There's always different variations to work. And then just a front squat with that. If you've got weights, barbells or dumbbells, kettlebells, using that, deep breath in, get a nice stretch, drive it up. If you're using the bands, quite nice in that rack position. Obviously it's going to be stronger at the top, and it's not much pressure there, but as I come up, more pressure, you can obviously put more weight into it, more tension into it to make it harder. So doing 4 rounds of that, 30, 30, 30, 30 rest, and then in the class we do a finisher as well, so another 3 minutes. So just using a parallel grip pull-up, a handstand push-up progression, and then a squat roll progression. So really simple, you're keeping the rings parallel, again even with feet on the ground, or you can do full body weight, but just getting that nice pull, get a good squeeze at the top, nice 5 reps controlled. You can do it however you need to make it heavy enough to really get that nice lower trap squeeze at the top, get the chest through, get a full lockout, and then handstand push-ups, just getting that nice position. So you really want the shoulders to come forward, the forearms to stay vertical, really get that nice turnout at the top. So just getting that rep there, you can walk further out to make it a bit easier, or further in to make it harder. And then we're going into a squat roll. So the squat roll, you've got to have that ankle flexibility. So really being able to get those knees forward to get down deep enough to lower your back down, come back up. To make that harder, you can come down on one leg, or you come down on one and up on one. but we're just working 5 reps of each, so you might do single, double, or just all doubles with that. And even just getting those close squats like that is quite good, if that's what you're working on. And we just do a 3-minute cut-off for that, so it's just a finisher. You don't want to go too hard a version of it, because you want to just keep moving, but it's just a way to get a little bit more loading in there and keep the handstand push-up going on this month when you're focusing on the walk up on the wall or the pole, and then that variation on the grip while you're working on those wider grip pull-ups, so that way it keeps that going in that month as well. And then obviously the squatting, some heavier squatting if you've got more weights to work with. So you get that double leg squat, and then also if you were going to do a single leg version on the roll, you've got that there too. But the single leg ones aren't as important, especially because we do so many other variations in the week. And then if you're lunging as well, it's kind of making up for that, so it's not like it's going to waste away. But it's just nice to keep everything going, plus that little bit of a finisher in a workout is quite good, just to give you that bit more. If you don't have time for it, that's cool. The bulk of the work would be done in those 4 working sets, 3 to 5 working sets of the main workout. And that's where you really want to focus your energy, focus on good form, technique, really finish each rep, so that way you can walk away more balanced. Enjoy.